Good afternoon. We are on the back slope for roof claim number 083-555-7018. I've been asked to do a repair to perform near this box vent to test the repairability. This is the back slope. Went ahead and just outlined the shingles that need to be manipulated. In order to get the box vent out, we have to remove all shingles around it. So we're going to move this one since it overlaps here at the bottom. I've labeled the shingles that have to be manipulated to get the fasteners out. Get this camera set up. We are on a 12 pitch, so bear with me. Tools that we'll be using: standard roof snake, as well as a roofer's hatchet. The third tool I like to use only at the start is a painter's scraper. This is used to break the seals. It's a lot less thinner, less abrasive, causes less mechanical damage. So we're gonna make sure the outer shingle is unsealed and the shingle above it very stuck on. Okay. All right, I'll be using the tail end of my hatchet to lift the above shingle up just high enough to get access to the nails. I won't be manipulating these any more than I have to get the fasteners out, but it is on a 12 pitch. We have a high nail right here. It's about an inch too high. One right here. And that one was a part of the box vent. I don't see any more. Moving to the second row. I got some hinging and braking on this shingle. Getting this fastener out, I'll show you at the end. All right, shingle has been removed. I've went ahead and pre-cut for the length because this is not a full length shingle. All right, width and exposure, I cut it good. By the way, this is just because the shingle is too long, so it just gets caught like that and overlaps due to expansion. Moving to the second row now. All right, shingle has been repaired. Let's take a look at the after effects. Let's fix this. So when I mentioned we had braking and delamination, it is because we got here, when we lifted it up, you can see the curling in it. If we look at the above one, we have the same thing that's occurring on both of these appliques. So in an effort to remove just one shingle to get access to the box vent, we've unfortunately damaged the shingle above it, and we have hinging occurring on the laminate portions as well as right there. So unfortunately, oh, my sweat, excuse me. So unfortunately, in an attempt to remove, we damaged the shingle above it as well as right here, and then we have buckling and hinging on the appliques above it. So both shingles were damaged, unfortunately. This will only cause the domino effect for all of these box vents, so we'd kindly ask Allstate to reconsider the repairability aspect of this claim and bring the insured back to pre-loss conditions. This video will be accompanied by some close-up photos so you can get a better visual of that. And I do just want to point out, back slope is currently on top of left and right here, but further down it flips and the back slope is underneath the valleys down there. Thank you for watching. Have a good